here is a quick recap of how we analyzed and how we talked about what is needed for your argumentative editorial. So first thing you have to find and look up statistics, facts, evidence of your claim that your teen issue is the largest world issue. So I selected depression and suicide, and I found on the Mental Health of America a statistic down here that teens feel so depressed that each year almost 5,000 young people ages 15 to 24 kill themselves. So I went ahead and I put that fact here in my what happened. This is where the evidence goes. Mental Health America reports that each year almost 5 kill themselves. Let me add, no, sorry about that, due to depression. Okay, then I go back, and here's what I did. I have this fact, and then I'm going to analyze it to prove my claim. So it says here, why is this important? How does this fact prove it's a top issue that teens face worldwide today? So I look at 5,000 for my age group, and I say that the fact that 5,000 teens, so I am using part of this evidence from the evidence here in my analysis so I can tie it all together. I know that I can do simple math, and that translates to over 25,000 in less than 6 years. And then I talk about how the pain and anguish that the teens suffered does not include the masses of family, friends, and acquaintances who suffered the pain and maybe guilt from coping with the loss. So I am talking about larger implications or outcomes that prove that the claim I'm having here is large. And notice I never put I or you or talk to my audience or use contractions. And then I link it back to my claim that this is the largest teen issue. So the magnitude of people adversely affected proves my top claim. The other thing I asked for, so that you know you can identify and then use the type of techniques we've been studying in class in your editorial, I asked you to analyze the techniques the author used to introduce and respond to claims and opposing viewpoints. So the author used statistics, facts to prove that suicide is a large issue today. Remember, we can use fallacies, evidence, ethos, pathos, logos, and then explain why. Yep, depression I spelled wrong. Gotta do that quickly. And so this is the third piece of, so you identify the fact, you analyze it to prove your claim, and you're analyzing the author's information to see what techniques they use to introduce their evidence to you. And you're going to use all these skills and put them into your editorial. Please remember that I asked you to cite in the box here. I asked you to cite Mental Health America and then the quote inside, and then later you're going to cite it at the end of your paper with a works cited page in MLA format.